If your Quick Assist app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Quick Assist app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Quick Assist app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Quick Assist. Click on the three dots to open the Quick Assist app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Quick Assist app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Quick Assist app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Quick Assist is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Quick Assist app data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Quick Assist app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Quick Assist and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Quick Assist app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Quick Assist app again. Search for Quick Assist. Click on Quick Assist. Press the Get button to start downloading Quick Assist. Wait for Quick Assist to be downloaded and installed. Now your Quick Assist app should be installed. Now open your Quick Assist app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.